DMR number 1, part A, we're going to write an expression to represent the combined amounts of tips Jim and Steve earned together. So it says Jim earned J in tips and Steve earned S in tips. They combined their tips together. So if Jim earned J tips and Steve earned S tips and they combine them together, it's just going to be J plus S. They're going to combine them together. They're going to put them together. Now it says if Jim earned $56, let's see. If Jim earned $56.50 and Steve earned $43.80 and they put them together, how much did they earn together? Oh, sorry, not year together, earn. How much did they earn together? So what we're going to take a look at is, well, we're going to replace these, and it's going to be 56 and 50, $56.50 plus $43.80. Then we're going to put that equal. I'm going to line them up over here. It's $56.80. Oh, I'm sorry, $56.50. And then $43.80. Now we can add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we add them up, we get $100.30. So all your answer is going to be is $100.30. So that's going to be it for our focus question. Great job.